What you are looking right now is a complete customer research report. Real pain points, real customer codes pulled from Reddit, Amazon, Trustpilot, and YouTube. 20 ready-to-use ad hooks, landing page headlines, positioning statements. A research agency would charge you $2,000 or $3,000 for this and take 2 weeks. Claude did it in about 20 minutes while I drank my tea. No make.com, no N8N, no code, just one prompt. And by the end of this video, one sentence. Stay till the end because the last part is honestly the craziest thing I have shown in this channel. If you sell anything online, a product, a service, a course, you already know the most valuable marketing asset is not your ad budget. It's knowing exactly what your customers are frustrated about in their own words. And that information already exists. It's sitting in 1-star Amazon reviews, angry Reddit threads, Trustpilot's complaints about your competitors, YouTube comments under review videos. The problem? Collecting it manually takes days, so most businesses don't do it. They write ads based on the guesses. Today, we fix that. We give Claude 2 superpowers, a web scraping army called Apify and access to Google Docs, and turn it into a full research team. Here is a quick picture of what we are building. One prompt tells Claude to work in 5 phases. Phase 1. It plans the research, competitors, pain areas, what to search on each platform. Phase 2. It runs real scrapers on Apify one by one. It finds the top Reddit discussion and pulls their comments, finds the most reviewed Amazon products and pulls their negative reviews, scrapes competitor complaints from Trustpilot and grabs comments from the top YouTube review videos. Phase 3. It analyzes everything into customer intelligence report, including exact customer codes word for word. Phase 4. It converts those insights into ad hooks, headlines, and positioning. Phase 5. It writes everything into a Google Doc. 2 connections, 3 minutes. Let me show you both. First, Apify. Apify is a marketplace for thousands of ready-made scrapers. They call them actors. Create a free account at apify.com. The free monthly credits are enough for this entire demo. For this build, I have already lined up 7 actors in my Apify account. An Amazon product finder and an Amazon review scraper, a YouTube video finder and a YouTube comment scraper, a Reddit post scraper and a Reddit comment scraper, and one for the Trustpilot reviews. You will see Claude call each one by one in a minute. All 7 are listed in the description. Now we have to connect the Apify to Claude. So for that we have to come to Claude. Here in the settings, you can see the connectors. Here we have to click on customize. Then we have to search for Apify here. Then here we have to browse for connectors. Then search again for Apify. Yeah, here you can see. You can simply click on plus button. There you can click on install. And we have to wait for a few seconds until it got installed. Here you can see you have to paste the API token from Apify. For that, you have to go to Apify again. In settings, here you can see there is an API and integration option. Here you can see the API token. Simply copy it, come back to Claude, paste it here, and now let me enable this. Yep, you can see here finally it's got connected. Now let's connect Google Drive. It's also required because the final report that we are uploading to the Google Drive once it is generated by Claude. So for that, to search for Google Drive here, yeah, here you can see, simply click on it, and here you can see to connect and choose the Google Drive here. Please make sure the same Claude account is logged in this browser as well, otherwise you will get an error. My account that I want to connect with my Claude, so it's been connected. Now let's open it again. Yeah, here you can see the Google Drive has been connected. So that's about the connection. Claude can now run scrapers and write documents. Watch what happened next. Here is the entire system. 1 prompt, 5 phases. Don't type this, I'll share it with you for free. 2 lines I want you to notice. First, at the top, continue to the next phase without waiting for my approval. This 1 line turns Claude from a chatbot into an agent. It will not stop and ask me questions, it just works. Second, in phase 2, the actor IDs. I'm telling Claude exactly which scrapers to use, so there is no guessing. Here you can see our test product, an office chair, competitors, Herman Miller, Steelcase, and Secret Lab. Target market, remote workers. Look at this, it mapped the pain areas instantly. Back pain, cushion flattening, armrest quality, price guilt, And look at the Reddit queries. It's not searching office chair. It's searching back pain sitting all day working from home. Office chair hurts after a few hours. Is an expensive ergonomic chair worth it? So and so. That's how real customers talk before they know which product they need. This is already better than most human researchers' briefs. Now the scraping starts, and watch how methodical this is. It runs the Reddit post scraper, picks the 5 or 6 discussion with the most comments, and then goes through them one by one, pulling the full comment thread from each. Same pattern for Amazon. It finds the most reviewed office chairs, skips the duplicate color variants, then goes product by product, collecting reviews, and it keeps only 3 stars and below because complaints are where the gold is. And for Trustpilot, it pulls each competitor brand's complaints in one go. And YouTube, it finds the top review videos first, then harvests the comment video by video. This is about 20-something scrapers runs fully autonomous. In real time, this took me about 25 plus minutes. I'll spare you, let's jump to the result. There is our raw material, roughly 300 real customer voices, cleaned, deduplicated, tagged by source. And this is the moment, the customer language library. These are not AI generated sentences. These are real human typing in frustration. Listen to this one. My back is killing me. It's from Reddit. And this one, old man back problems at 25. It again from Reddit. And listen to this one, flat cardboard. It's from Amazon. All these are the frustrated customer statements. You cannot invent this copy. Your customers have already written your ads. They just left them inside a 1-star review. And now it turns insight into assets. 20 ad hooks. Look, they are built directly from those codes. 10 headlines, positioning statements, objection crushing angles, 5 USPs. And finally, it writes the report. A real Google Doc in my drive. Executive summary, methodology, every insight session, and every marketing asset. This is a client-ready deliverable from one prompt. Now that was one prompt, but pasting a 2-page prompt every time? There's a better way. And this is the part I promised you at the start. We are about to compress this entire system into one sentence. Claude has a feature called skills. Think of it as teaching Claude a permanent ability. The instruction live inside Claude and they activate automatically when you mention the right topic. And here is my favorite part. I'm not going to write the skill. Claude is going to write it about itself. Watch. I'm just typing, turn this into a skill. It's writing its own instruction manual. The trigger phrases, the 5 phases, the 7 actor IDs, the one-by-one scraping rules, everything we built packaged into a reusable ability. Now, the moment of truth. Brand new conversation, completely fresh, no history, no prompt, and I type one sentence. Run customer research for stand-in desk, and I am also providing the competitors list here. Look at that. It recognized the request, loaded the skill on its own, and it's of planning, scraping, analyzing, same 5 phases, same actors, 0 pasting. And there it is, a complete customer research report for a totally different product, one sentence. Think about what just happened. A workflow that used to need an automation platform, multiple API integrations, JSON parsing, error handling, it now lives inside a conversation. And once it's a skill, anyone on your team can run it by just asking. Your marketing person doesn't need to know what an actor ID is. They type one sentence, they get a report. And this pattern, plan, collect, analyze, create, deliver, works for any product, any niche. Physical products, SaaS, services, course, change the input, the system adapts. The mega prompt and the ready-made skill are linked in the description. Now it's your turn to try. If you want M-Square to build AI systems like this, customized for your business, book a free consultation, the link is in the description. And also comment below what product should I research next. Best suggestions